Have you ever wondered what really happens before you snap a KitKat bar in half? That crisp break. That smooth chocolate coating. Those perfectly layered wafers inside. Behind that simple break time moment is a carefully engineered process that runs with precision, timing, and consistency inside modern American chocolate factories. It all begins with cocoa beans. Sourced for quality and flavor, the beans are carefully inspected before entering production. Only batches that meet strict standards move forward. From there, they're roasted to develop depth and aroma, the foundation of the chocolate you recognize instantly. Once roasted, the beans are cracked and separated into cocoa nibs. These nibs are ground into a rich, dark paste known as chocolate liquor. Despite the name, it contains no alcohol, just pure cocoa essence. To create the smooth milk chocolate used in KitKat, sugar and milk powder are added in exact proportions. The mixture is refined until it becomes silky and uniform. Every stage is monitored to maintain consistent texture and flavor. Then comes tempering, a precise heating and cooling process that stabilizes the chocolate. This step gives KitKat its glossy finish and that satisfying snap when you break it. But chocolate alone doesn't define KitKat. The signature crunch begins with wafers. A light batter is prepared using flour and water, then spread thin and baked into crisp sheets. These sheets form the delicate layers inside each bar. Once cooled, they're stacked with a smooth cocoa filling in between. Layer by layer, the structure builds. The stacked wafer blocks are compressed gently to maintain even thickness before being cut into the familiar finger shapes. Precision here is critical. Every piece must align perfectly before coating. Now the transformation happens. The wafer fingers move into a curtain of flowing milk chocolate. They're fully enrobed, covered on all sides in smooth, tempered chocolate. Excess coating is removed to create a uniform finish. As the bars travel through a cooling phase, the chocolate sets into a firm outer shell, locking in the crisp layers beneath. What makes KitKat unique isn't just the ingredients. It's the balance. The ratio of wafer to filling. The thickness of the chocolate coating. The precision of each break line. Every detail is measured. Before packaging, bars undergo multiple quality checks. Weight is verified. Surface texture is examined. The embossed logo is inspected for clarity. Only bars that meet strict production standards move forward. Each one is then wrapped in its iconic red packaging, sealed, coated, and prepared for distribution. From the factory floor to store shelves across the country, every bar follows a carefully tracked path. Millions are produced each day. Yet every single one follows the same formula. The same layers. The same coating. The same snap. By the time a KitKat reaches your hands, it has completed a journey of controlled temperatures, precise timing, and detailed inspection. And when you finally break it, that crisp sound isn't accidental. It's engineered. It's the result of carefully baked wafers layered with cocoa cream, sealed inside tempered milk chocolate designed to break cleanly along defined lines. That's what makes KitKat different. It isn't just chocolate. It's structure. It's balance. It's consistency. From cocoa bean to finished bar, the process combines ingredient science, temperature control, and precision layering, all working together to create one of the world's most recognizable chocolate wafer bars. And the next time you unwrap one and snap off a finger, you'll know exactly what went into that perfect break. That's